Hello and a very warm welcome to our installation video for the Frank from the Q4 e-tron. Our Frank has 4 retaining clips on the back and a few spacer buffers. And with these 4 retaining clips, the Frank is now fastened in the engine compartment. I'll show you how that works in detail now. Okay, as I said, with these 4 retaining clips, the Frank is now clipped onto the engine strut. It's best to use the rubber lip at the back as a guide so that the Frank lies relatively parallel. Position it correctly and then press the retaining clips on with a short jerk. Then you just need to check that it's firmly in place and that's it. Frank is installed. The same applies to removal. If you need or want to take it out, you give the Frank a short tug, the Frank comes loose, and that's it. So you see, in just a few seconds, the Frank is installed and removed, and it sits, fits. Yes, that's all from my side. Installation's child's play. Thanks. You're Joseph from the company frunk.at.